we're going to be cleaning all these grout lines and making them look white again. I'm going to fill up a bucket with warm water and pour in some sugar soap. With a brush, I'm going to scrub over all of the grout lines, getting them as clean as I can. Once I've scrubbed all the grout, I'll get some rapid Mould Killer. I'll then spray this all over the grout and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that it kills all the mould. After 2 to 3 minutes, it's done the trick and you can go and rinse it all off with water. If your grout lines are extra dirty like mine are, I'm going to go through and repeat the cleaning process, getting that sugar soap in the scrubbing brush, scrubbing over it all, and then spraying it once more with the rapid Mould Killer. After washing it off with water again, I'm now going to leave it for 2 hours to let it dry before commencing the last step. The final steps includes using this white Grout Pen. This has grout paint in it, which we will be applying to all the grout. While we're waiting for the grout to dry, I'm going to grab some masking tape and tape off all areas that I do not want to get this white paint on. Now I'm ready to use my grout paint. This paint is applied by running this marker over the grout lines, holding the marker on a 45-degree angle. I'm going to carefully go through, apply it to the grout, and I'm not too worried if I get this paint on the tile, as it isn't going to stain the tile when I can wipe it off while it's still wet. Once applied, it takes 30 minutes to dry, but if you want to do a second coat, which I'm doing in this instance, you want to leave it for an hour before reapplying that second coat. Now that the grout is clean, hit subscribe because I'll be posting a video shortly on how to clean these silicone lines.